In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Nano Banana to create thumbnail. Let's start right at the beginning. Open your web browser and go to Google. Any modern browser will do. Once you see the Google homepage, click into the search bar and type Google Gemini. This is the easiest way to get to the official image creation tool we'll be using. Look for the official Google Gemini result from Google and click it to open the app. If you're prompted to sign in, use your regular Google account. You'll land on the Gemini interface. Inside Gemini, find and click the Create Image button. This is what activates the Nano Banana image generation feature behind the scenes. Think of it as the creative engine that turns your ideas into visuals. You'll see a space to guide the tool with text and, if you like, a reference image. Next, click the plus sign to upload your reference image. Choose a clear, well-lit photo that matches the vibe you want for the thumbnail. Higher resolution works best, and make sure you have the right to use the image. If you're featuring a person, pick a shot with good contrast around the subject so the tool can separate them cleanly from the background. Now it's time to write your prompt. Be specific and imagine you're briefing a designer. For example, you could write, "Create a visually breathtaking, ultra-artistic YouTube thumbnail. Place the uploaded photo of the man as the central subject. Cut out perfectly with cinematic lighting and soft glowing edges." Expand on that with details about color mood, background style, and where you want empty space for text, like, "Leave room on the left for a bold title." The more concrete your directions, the more accurate the result. If you have a theme, such as tech, travel, or education, say it. You can also mention contrast and readability so the subject pops at small sizes. When your prompt looks good, click Submit. The generator will think for a moment and then display your results. Give them a careful look. Check that the subject is centered, the lighting feels cinematic, and the edges look clean and professional. If something's off, tweak your prompt with clearer instructions about composition, colors, or background intensity, and submit again. Small changes in wording often make a big difference. That's the full process. By searching for Gemini, activating the Create Image feature, uploading a strong reference, crafting a precise prompt, and submitting, you'll produce a polished, eye-catching thumbnail powered by Nano Banana.